In today's video, I'm going to show you how to professionally blur or pixelate a license plate in Adobe Photoshop so you can protect privacy while maintaining a clean look for your creative projects. Whether you are working on a YouTube video, photography portfolio, or journalism piece, knowing how to redact sensitive information is a vital skill for every creator. If this guide helps you out, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more editing tutorials. Let us dive right in. First, open your image in Adobe Photoshop by dragging it into your workspace. Once your image is open, look at the toolbar on the left and select the rectangular marquee tool, or simply press M on your keyboard. With this tool active, click and drag a box specifically around the license plate you need to hide. Now, for our first method, let us use a smooth blur. Go up to the top menu, click on Filter, hover over Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur from the list. A dialog box will appear with a slider for the radius. As you increase the pixel amount, you will see the plate behind your marquee selection become progressively more unreadable. Move the slider until the text is completely distorted and smooth to the eye. Then click OK. Your plate will now appear professionally blurred. Our second method is the Pixelate effect, which is very common in television and news reporting for a gritty, technical look. Just like before, ensure your license plate area is selected with the rectangular marquee tool. This time, navigate to the Filter menu at the top, hover over Pixelate, and select Mosaic. A new window will pop up allowing you to adjust the cell size. Drag the slider to the right. You'll notice the area transforms into large, blocky squares. Adjust this until the characters are impossible to decipher, then click OK. This gives you that classic blocky redaction effect. Both of these methods are fast and highly effective for protecting identifying information in your images. Again, if you found this walkthrough helpful for your editing workflow, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.